Second thing is don't promote landing pages. Promote content. Run ads on content. You can do landing pages, that's fine, but the recommended thing to promote is value, not landing pages. For example, in a B2C, you can see so many of them on Facebook, on Twitter, on so many platforms. You click on it, they give you a sales funnel, and they say, if you don't, this expires in 24 hours. If you don't buy now, you're going to increase all those sales things. No, we don't do that here. But the point is that we need to sell value. It could be running ads on a video that teaches how to do something. It could be promoting. If you take a look at most of the video on YouTube, when you want to watch YouTube, the ads about developed products are all like they are, how would I put it? They are mostly driven on educational point of view. It could be just 30 minutes or so 30 seconds, but it's content teaches you something. For example, I know most of them, there is a developer tool that talks about, do you want to get a job at Google? Then the woman talks something that shows you, some questions and then you can apply. So it's content driven, but not just landing pages. So we need to run content as ads. Flyers can work, but it should be pointing to something of value. We can run ads. So there's a dev.to recently launched their ads platform last year, where you can write a very interesting and educative content on dev that you can promote it to reach developers. That's fantastic, right? So we want to promote content, not just landing pages. If you must promote landing page, you should also have content inside it, not just like that. So that's like the important thing for this, right? Content. That also depends on the state you're in, but above all, please put content value first than just landing page or flyer. You're going to flyer and put. It can work, but less content is what the best is. To get the real value of those who are going to sign in or join or ask questions, they want to come from a point of curiosity based on what they've learned on the content or what they've seen, than just people signing up just because they saw the post on wherever they saw the ads from, right? So very important. Promote content, not landing pages.